How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a whistling video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be whistling just with our mouth. No fingers, nothing like that. So we'll whistle for 10 seconds. I'll give you guys a few tips how to do it, and we'll do it for 5 minutes. So let's get started. 10 seconds. So just like that, very simple, very easy. Key for whistling is tongue position and lip position. So your tongue, when I'm whistling, this is where my tongue is. You're pushing against your teeth with your tongue tip like this. Just like that. Again, you don't want your tongue to be pressing down here. You want to be having your tongue pressing against here. Right against your teeth. The whistling has... Look who's here. Well, would you look at what the cat brought in? It's the Sparky. And she wants up. Sure, I'll let you up for this fin. Hell with it. Woo! Be careful. Okay. So we'll wait. Sparky has arrived. Hey, how's it going? So yeah, again, whistling is about tongue position and lip position. That's all it is. Oh, you can't eat the pen. What are you doing? Okay, we will whistle for another 10 seconds. So let's go. Sparky does not like that, I don't think, but that's okay, right, Sparky? Is that okay? Yeah, that's okay. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Again, this is a chill video. I'm teaching you guys how to whistle. We're whistling practicing. If the dog wants to be in the video, who cares, to be honest? A lot of people are so uptight about videos and stuff. As long as we're doing the exercise, we're learning, we're practicing, who cares? I mean, come on. With my rest periods for the longest time, when I lived at home, not when I lived at home, when I rented, not rented, when I owned a house with my brother for about 3 years, when my buddy and my brother were watching TV during my rest periods, when I was working out, I would come watch TV too. You can do whatever you want in your rest periods as long as you're doing the work. So let's do another 10 seconds. Just like that. I'm pretty sure dogs have better hearing than humans. Not quite sure about that, but I'm pretty sure. My ears hurt really bad when I whistle loud. They must really hurt Sparky's. Oh my God, look, she's sitting on me now. Cool, look at that. But she can't sit on me forever just because it's a little bit weird. Not weird, but I kind of have to close my legs together in a certain way, and it's really awkward to hold this position for a long period of time. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? My name's Sparky. Okay. Just like that. Easy peasy, my friends. Okay, Sparks, you gotta get off me. Come on, Sparky. Good girl. Good girl. Sparky, no, you can't sit on me forever. Puppy. But yeah, good video. I love whistling. I love practicing. I love showing people how to whistle. A lot of people do not know how to whistle, so it's cool to kind of... Oh, look where she's sitting now. That's so cute. That's her little bed I put there for her so she can chill when I'm making my vids. Okay, we'll whistle for another 10 seconds, then we're done. Just like that. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.